All right, guys, we got a 2022 Ram 1500. All we did was put on a Black Widow exhaust. So I'll let you guys hear it and see it. We left the rear resonators on it as well. Factory converters up there and over there. And it comes into the white pipe. I took off the old stock muffler and put a Black Widow right there in its place. The part of the Black Widow is BW0013-3, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then it goes back into the stock Y pipe and then out to the factory tips. There's the factory resonators. We left those on there, and there with the factory tips. Looks like there's hardly been anything done to it. It's real clean, real nice still. Looks almost stock. So we'll let you guys hear it. You guys let us know what you guys think. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. Black Widow, the rear resonators are still on it. It gets louder when you start getting onto it, but it'll allow you to creep out the 107 is what it peaked at a second ago. So that's the Black Widow in the middle with the rear muffler still attached to the resonators. Go ahead and back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram 1500, Black Widow in the middle, rear resonators are still on it, and the stock tips. The 2022, I think you said?